How to remove dental plaque naturally and effectively. Did you know that the sticky, invisible layer on your teeth, known as plaque, could be silently damaging your smile? Imagine waking up one day to find your once pearly whites turning yellow and your gums feeling sore. Scary, right? But here's the good news. You don't need expensive dental treatments to fix this. In today's video, we're revealing simple and natural ways to remove plaque and keep your teeth healthier than ever. Stick around till the end because I'll share a game-changing secret ingredient that dentists swear by. Let's get started. What is dental plaque? First things first, let's understand what plaque is. Plaque is that sticky, colorless film that builds up on your teeth, especially after eating sugary or starchy foods. Left untreated, it can harden into tartar, which is much harder to remove. So, catching plaque early is key to keeping your teeth healthy. Start with brushing the right way. Let's talk about the basics. Brushing. But wait, are you brushing correctly? Many people rush through it. But here's the trick. Use a soft bristle toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Brush for at least 2 minutes twice a day, focusing on all surfaces of your teeth. And remember, gentle circular motions are much more effective than scrubbing back and forth. Floss like a pro. Most people skip flossing, but it's your secret weapon against plaque. Brushing alone doesn't reach the spaces between your teeth where plaque loves to hide. Floss at least once a day to get rid of trapped food particles and bacteria. Pro tip: use a waxed floss for smoother gliding and better results. Rinse with an antibacterial mouthwash. After brushing and flossing, finish with a good antibacterial mouthwash. This helps kill bacteria and prevents plaque from reforming. Look for a mouthwash with ingredients like chlorhexidine or essential oils for maximum impact. And don't forget to rinse after meals too. It's a quick way to reduce plaque buildup. The power of natural remedies. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Did you know there are natural ways to fight plaque? For example, baking soda. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste. Brush with it once a week to remove plaque and whiten your teeth naturally. Coconut oil. Pulling, swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. This ancient practice helps remove toxins and reduces plaque buildup. Apple cider vinegar. Use it as a diluted rinse once a week, but don't overdo it. It's acidic, so always rinse with water afterward. Diet matters more than you think. What you eat plays a huge role in plaque prevention. Avoid sugary and starchy snacks, which feed the bacteria in your mouth. Instead, snack on crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery. These natural toothbrushes help scrub your teeth clean as you chew. Hydration and chewing gum. Here's a simple tip. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water washes away food particles and bacteria. And if you love chewing gum, opt for sugar-free gum with xylitol. Xylitol not only freshens your breath, but also fights plaque by neutralizing harmful acids. Regular dental checkups. While these tips are great, don't skip your dentist visits. Professional cleaning is essential to remove stubborn tartar and keep your teeth in top shape. Aim for a dental checkup every 6 months to stay ahead of plaque buildup. Conclusion and secret ingredient. Reveal. And here's the moment you've been waiting for. My secret weapon against plaque. Green tea. Yes, drinking unsweetened green tea not only boosts your health, but also reduces bacteria in your mouth, thanks to its natural antioxidants. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more dental health tips. Remember, a healthy smile is a confident smile. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.